ELECTROWELD brand, 45 KVA, remotely operated, spot count position welder. On this you can weld 8 wires of 3 mm dia with 5 mm dia at a time. This here is the pneumatic cylinder. This here is the flow control valve. This is a microcontroller. You can adjust the welding parameters here. This is on-off switch. You can switch it on. Press the set button. You will see squeeze time glowing. We are kept at 45. You can increase or decrease with like this. This is a weld time. We are kept 24 cycles. This also can be changed. This is a fold time. This also can be decreased and increased. We are keeping 20 cycles. This is a heat percentage for welding. This also can be increased or decreased. We kept about 80%. Now this is set for that particular 3 mm 8 wires with 5 mm wires. Now here I will show you. These are the chromium zirconium copper welding jaws. This is the bottom cylinder that will come up while welding. Here we have the foot switch for welding. At the bottom there is a water circulating pump. You can put that inlet of the pump and outside of the machine in 400 liter water tank for circulating the water all over the secondary. This here is the file. Connect the air inlet over here. This is the pressure adjuster. You can adjust the pressure on this knob for welding. Here now we keep about 85 psi. This can be increased clockwise or decreased anti-clockwise. Then you can lock the pressure. This is air filter. This is a water drain knob. This should be pressed and the water should be removed every evening while closing the factory. This is air lubricator for lubricating the cylinder, piston and other parts. This here is the solenoid valve. Now we will show you the working. After adjusting the parameters as per the data given in the manual, also shown in the video, you can weld the wires.